Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name, where I explore the latest in tech and bring you the coolest updates. Today, I'm diving into a game-changing update from Google. You can now generate AI-powered images directly in Google Docs, making your documents more dynamic and visually appealing. Say goodbye to stock image searches and hello to endless creativity. This new feature is set to revolutionize the way we create content. So, what's this new feature all about? Let's break it down. Imagine you're working on a report, presentation, or even a creative project in Google Docs. You need a specific image to complement your text. With just a few clicks, you can now create custom images tailored to your needs using Google's advanced AI technology. Yep, no more switching apps or struggling to find the right visuals. This feature is designed to save you time and effort. Let me show you how it works, step by step. Step 1. Open a Google Doc and place your cursor where you want the image to appear. Step 2. Go to the Insert menu and select AI Generated Image. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Enter a prompt describing the image you want. For example, a serene mountain landscape at sunset. Be as detailed as you like. Step 4. Hit Generate and voila! Your custom image is ready to be added directly to your document. Pretty cool, right? It's like having a personal graphic designer at your fingertips. Google's AI will also give you multiple variations of the image, so you can choose the one that fits best. This ensures you have options to pick the perfect visual. Plus, it's designed to help with creativity while keeping your workflow seamless. No interruptions, just smooth sailing. Here's why this update is a big deal. 1. Time saver. No need to search for external images. Everything you need is right within Google Docs. 2. Customization. Tailor visuals to match your exact needs. Whether it's for a business report or a creative project, you have full control. 3. Collaboration-friendly teams can create and edit visuals together, right in Docs. This makes it easier to brainstorm and bring ideas to life collectively. But here's something to keep in mind. As this feature rolls out, it might not be available to everyone immediately. Google is gradually making it accessible to all users. So keep your Google Docs updated and check the Insert menu to see if you've got it. Patience is key here. That's it for today's tech update. Are you excited to try this feature? I know I am. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome updates. Your support means a lot. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.